Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys file requests, a great feature built into Dropbox. So, what are file requests? File requests are an easy and simple way to request a file from someone without having to give them access to your Dropbox files. Sounds a little crazy, but let me explain. In most cases, Dropbox has always had a way for you to share a folder with someone. Well, the problem with sharing a folder is that's going to allow them to see, manipulate, and access other files within your Dropbox account. And it's not always intuitive for them to figure out how to add something to it, or they might accidentally override something. You just want a simple and easy way for them to go in, upload their file, and then they're out of it. They don't have to do anything else but just upload their file. Well, that's where file requests comes in. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to go into file requests here on my computer, and I'm currently in the web browser version of Dropbox. I have yet to find a way to do this in the desktop app, but if you've used this before and you have found a way to do that, please let me know. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to request files, and I actually need to set one up for our camping group for the Boy Scouts of America. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Bay Lakes Council Camp Promo Videos. Now, this is what they're going to see. This is the folder it's going to go to. So it's currently going into a folder it's going to create called Bay Lakes Council Camp Promos Videos. And if I click here, you can see it's going into Dropbox and under another folder called File Requests. I can add a deadline if I want, which would just mean they have until this certain date and time to get it uploaded. I don't need to do that for this because this is going to be an ongoing request. I'm going to click Next, and then I'm done. All I need to do is grab this URL right here, or I can add their email address. If I just know a very specific group of people I want to send this to, I can send it to them via email. I don't need to do that. I'm just going to grab this URL. I'm going to click Done, and I'm all set up, ready to go. Now, when I share this URL, either by way of email or text message, however I decide to share it, they're going to see this. It's going to say that I'm requesting Bay Lakes Council Camp Promo Videos. It tells them that only I will see the files unless I choose to share them. And all they have to do is click Choose from Computer, upload it, and then it will send that file into Dropbox. Automatically, they don't have to do anything. It's all configured in the back end. That when they upload a file here, it's going to go into that folder in my Dropbox account. I'll get a notification that something was sent, and then we're good to go. So this has saved me tons of time in the long run because I'm now no longer having to hunt down files from people. I'm not having them email it to me, and this also eliminates the need to email the file because if the file's too big to email, it's sometimes kind of hard. This eliminates that issue altogether and allows me to focus on what I need to focus on and them to be able to get me what I need in a timely manner. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was useful, and I will see you guys in the next video.